Hello there, Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we are tying a really simple pattern which is called Bjarni Svarti. This is an Icelandic pattern. I'm not sure who is the author of it, but we are working on it to find out. We start by attaching the thread to the shank of the hook, and then we take a black vinyl rib. And as you see maybe on the video, I chop the vinyl rib like sideways, not like in a straight cut, but I bend the scissors when I'm cutting it. And I'm showing you there, it's like that, it's like a flat cut, but not like that, but I cut it like this and attach it down on the very corner. This will prevent you getting like a two and like an awkwardly thick butt of the fly, so all the body is even. This fly, a friend of mine asked me for this fly, and he told me about it. It's called Bjarni Svarti or Bjarni the Black. You can actually tie this fly with a red vinyl rib, and then they call it Bjarni Rauði or the Red Bjarni. And this fly, as you see, and you will see it when the thorax and the wing case is ready, when you see the fly, you see it's gonna work. It's one of those flies that really saved the day for many anglers here in Iceland in particular circumstances, especially during the spring fishing. It reminds a little bit to a fly which we call Mobuto or Mobuto. That's a really good fly, but this is a little larger and a little chunkier fly than in the Mobuto. For the wing, or the back of the fly actually, which is the wing, which has not developed yet to be a wing, it's still like not grown. Yeah, I'm explaining there from the Icelandic video, the thorax means wing. We use a white feather, either duck or geese or some, and place it like we already done. And then we take three or four peacock hearls for the thorax, because the thorax is made out of peacock, and this combination of materials, this reminds you probably of some other flies, but in Iceland we call it Bjarni Svarti, and it's a relatively new pattern in that way, like that, this setup of the fly tied with that name. But it's a very much effective fly when it's come to the spring fishing, for the Arctic char especially. Some trout will take it as well, but this fly, I presume, had been designed for the Arctic char, more or less. And that's about it. The only thing left is to attach the white wing. And the wing is just gonna sit on the back of the thorax. So it's gonna be like a back on the fly. It's not gonna be like sticking out or some. So we do a few quite tight wraps there and cut the wing away. And yeah, cut this away as well, since we chopped it. Then we form the head of the fly and we make the whip finish, and the fly is ready. It's a relatively simple pattern, I would say, and it's effective. And we could do a couple of whip finishes there, and then of course we'll do a little paint work on it as well. Place some varnish on the head with head cement from Vineyard. I'm using this Vineyard. I tried lots of varnishes, like cellulose varnishes, and the Vineyard is my favorite. So we'll place it just like this, so it coats all the thread, and let it sit for dry. That's about it. That's Bjarni Svarti. Here you go. And for the reactions we've got so far, I want to thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can share it with friends who are tying flies. And until next video, I will say thank you and thanks for watching, and I will see you again.